Smartsheet versus Monday.com. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about two of the most used project management softwares out there, two of the most used CRMs, and we're going to be talking in great detail on how you can use these to manage all of your workings in one place. So both these platforms are extremely recommended by its users, and they both have pretty decent pricings as well as very good features to scale up on when it comes to CRM. And the whole concept of this video is to talk about which platform is better suited for you. So without further ado, we're going to get straight into it. So to start things off, what we're going to do is we're going to come over to Smartsheet and Monday.com's main dashboard centers. Okay, now to ensure that your business stays ahead of the competition, you need to move faster and deliver results. A reliable cutting-edge work management solution can help your teams work more efficiently, improve transparency, and speed up time from strategy to execution. Working with a true partner is key to achieving your goals. Now, let's talk about Monday.com and Smartsheet at a simple glance. Okay. Now, when it comes to Smartsheet, the pricing is paid, okay? The paid plans start at a $9 per user per month, but the best part about Smartsheet is that it does give you a 30-day free trial to actually get an idea of what the platform really is, what it feels like, what it looks like. Now, moving on, the popular features that surround Smartsheet are things like multiple data views, okay? You get real-time reporting, automated workflows, and a lot of collaboration tools, okay? So any workspace that you have, you can pretty much go up to it and change its view totally, okay? Totally and indefinitely, pretty much. So if I come over here you can see we have the project dashboard section. And what I can pretty much do is I can go ahead and change its view. So right now, currently, it's in a grid form, okay? It's in a grid view, as you can clearly see. And if you want to go ahead and change its view, what you can pretty much do is you can go over to its connections and mess around with the different, publishments and views that it provides you, okay? Now, that totally depends on you on whatever look you want to go for. Now, the integrations on Smartsheet are incredible because you can pretty much go over to the work apps section and you can get 100+ integrations that are either shared with you or you can use with the different work apps. Okay, now it depends on you. The security is pretty good as well, and the ease of use is out of this world. Okay, because if you're using a platform for the first time, I'd say the ease of use is pretty good for a CRM and PMO. Now let's move over to Monday.com at a glance. Okay, now Monday.com is a forever free plan, okay? You don't need to have any trial or anything like that. It's always free, but for the upper plans, you are going to need to, pay a hefty price of $9, $12, or $19. But the best part is that you do get a 14-day free trial for every single of their plans, okay? Which is pretty cool. Now, Monday.com has a lot of specialties in it, and most of them give us the main ideas of real-time dashboards. And other than real-time dashboards, you get multiple views like Scrum, Gantt, Kanban, whatever you ask, you will get it. You also get advanced automations for yourself, and you get customizable templates to work along with as well. The integrations are out of this world because they give you more than 200 integrations to work with, including Slack, Gmail, Microsoft Teams, GitLab, MailChimp, Excel, Outlook, DocuSign, and a lot more. Now, it centralizes all of your data in one place, automates all your work, syncs all your tools, and it's a pretty good feature to have for yourself, okay? Now, speaking about Monday.com, you've definitely heard of it because a lot of people have shifted to Monday.com off of other project management platforms. So if I were to take a closer look at Monday.com, we can go ahead and talk about the different features like the unmatched ease of use, okay? The ease of use that Monday.com provides you is nothing near Smartsheet. Monday.com gives the visual interface which makes it easy for anyone on your team to get going, reducing onboarding time and frustration. You also get intuitive adoption across your organization where you can get easily on your teams on the same page with a platform that they'll love so you can quickly gain real-time accurate visibility of your organization's OKRs and metrics. You can also accelerate your time to value on day one. Okay. You can do all of that through their work management or CRM platforms. You get great stability and reliability. Being publicly traded means financial stability and market credibility is there. Now, 60% of the Fortune 500 companies leverage its capabilities. It has a growing base of over 300,000 customers and it utilizes itself across many countries. Now, moving more on, Monday.com is a comprehensive solution designed to help teams manage their workflows from start to finish within a single digital workspace. All right. It allows you to build customized tools that you can help and you can pretty much track progress on all of your work and improve team communication, collaboration, and efficiency. Now, what are actually the key features of Monday.com? So the key features include highly intuitive user interface. It requires minimal onboarding. You have a centralized platform for all team communications where you can do file sharing and storage all in one place. You have great data visualization options like Kanban, calendar, timeline, map, and Gantt chart to name a few. You can also go ahead and get a good idea of CRM out of this if you are a beginner. Now, moving over to Smartsheet. What features does Smartsheet actually offer? Now, project managers who are used to working on Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel will quickly see that Smartsheet has a similar look and feel to it. So, Smartsheet basically gives you, first of all, multiple data views, okay? So, if I come over here and, choose to start a project from scratch, let's say I'm going to build a workspace over here. It will ask me for the different views like grid, calendar, and Gantt charts that it provides me. So here we have the grid view, you have the Gantt view, the card view, and even the Kanban view to surround yourself with. It's pretty cool. Then the dashboards are also pretty cool because you get real-time charts and reporting metrics. And let's say here, I'm going to go over to the project dashboard. There we go. You have real-time metrics that go on and on. You also get automated workflows with alerts and notifications that you can find right here. And they have great use cases for task management and project management as well. Okay. Both of these platforms will let you manage all of your tasks in one cohesive platform. Okay. You can minimize manual tasks with automations and turn your task lists into a unique workflow for stronger collaboration. You can also go ahead and track your capabilities. You can look out for what's best for you. You can also have great portfolio management along with it. And the portfolio can be managed again right from here where you can choose dashboard, report, or sheet for your working. You have great workflow management as well where you can instantly automate your own custom workflows. For example, automate due date notifications so tasks never slip through the cracks and integrate. Okay. So we have a lot of great stuff for both of these platforms that go on, and they do match up with a lot of great features. But in my personal opinion, if you want to use both of these platforms, what kind of customer do you need to be? Okay. Now, with Smartsheet, if you're an old user of the different platforms like Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, you were in data entry, and you have a good hand on both of these platforms, then I would definitely suggest that Smartsheet is the platform for you. But if you've used platforms like ClickUp, Asana, or you haven't used any platforms at all, then in that case, Monday.com would be perfect for you because both solutions are great for managing work projects and, tracking your sales and your CRMs. But I would still say that there's a big learning gap between these two. Smartsheet is for the people who already have a small idea of how CRMs work, but Monday.com, on the other hand, is something totally for new people. It gives you a new journey, it teaches you new things, and it gives you a good idea on how to work with different people and different methods, okay? So, yeah, that's my main verdict on Smartsheet versus Monday.com. So if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And do let me know down in the comments below which one of these platforms you chose personally for yourself. But yeah, that is pretty much all there is for this video. If you enjoyed watching, again, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great and amazing day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.